India has overtaken Hong Kong as the world's fourth largest stock market. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Patra, and in this video I'm going to be telling you this very big news that's come in, that India is now the fourth largest globally stock market that's been valued by market cap. The combined value of shares listed on the Indian exchanges have hit a market cap of 4.33 lakh crore dollars as of Monday's close, as against $4.29 trillion for Hong Kong. And this is the parameter because of which you've actually seen India pipping Hong Kong as well. Currently, India is now behind US, which is the world's biggest market with a market cap of $50.86 trillion, followed by China, which has a market cap of $8.44 trillion, and then comes the third country, and that is Japan, with a market cap of $6.36 trillion. And now India's stock market capitalization stands somewhere at $4.33 trillion. India had crossed the $4 trillion mark for the very first time back on December 5th. And about half of this really came in the past 4 years, when the Indian stock markets have seen a one-way bull run that has stunned the markets across the world. Hong Kong slump is also due to an eroding China appeal at this point in time. Some of China's most influential and innovative firms are listed on Hong Kong exchanges. Beijing's stringent anti-COVID-19 curbs, regulatory crackdowns on corporations, a property sector crisis, and geopolitical tensions with the West have actually hit the Chinese stocks pretty hard. The total market value of Chinese and the Hong Kong stocks have tumbled more than $6 trillion since their peaks back in the year 2021. New listings have dried up in Hong Kong, with the Asian financial hub losing the status as one of the busiest venues for IPOs or initial public offerings. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index has declined for the fourth consecutive year in a row. Shanghai Stock Exchange has seen second consecutive year of losses. In contrast, it's the Indian equity markets that have gained for 8 straight years, being only unique to the Indian markets and this parameter. And now Indian markets are even poised to go further from here on, which most of the analysts believe is due to the strong sentiments before elections that we are seeing, improvising the macroeconomic conditions, as well as expectations of the interest rate cuts worldwide that could be an added-on trigger for the Indian markets at large. What is also more is when you compare the kind of performance that we have seen in some of the better performing markets globally. The US markets have rallied 35–40% in the past year in comparison to just about 20% surge for Sensex and the Nifty. There is enough room for the markets to go forward from here as well. Indian stocks reached their new highs in the year 2023 due to bullish investors, increased domestic participation. The recent victory of the Narendra Modi-led NDA alliance across multiple state elections definitely boosted investors' confidence, signaling a continuity at the helm of affairs at the central government, with the Modi government coming back for the third straight time in the general elections that are slated to happen in April of 2024. And this was a fresh trigger that the Indian markets really got. Analysts believe that anticipated rate cuts now by the global central banks in 2024 could further boost the investor confidence, fuel the Indian market rally even further from here on. Investors are now anticipating budget announcements on February 1st that could be the next big trigger in case we do see some big bank announcements coming in, even though it's an interim budget as of now. So that's as far as the Indian markets growth story is concerned. Now the fourth largest, keeping its eyes on the third largest globally market scenario by market cap as well. How soon do we achieve that? What all will it take for India to achieve that third spot? Will it be even much faster than what we have seen when it comes to the climbing of the ladder, when it comes to the fourth spot, is something that we will continue to watch out for. Do stick around to Business Today Television to catch such more interesting videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
In today's rapidly evolving business environment, when risk is omnipresent, managing risks is no longer just about ticking a few boxes. Businesses need to maintain a panoramic view of risks to stay ahead of the curve. Join us to explore how organizations can rethink risk to unlock new possibilities and become fit for future. At PwC presents De-Risking the Future in collaboration with Business Today.